tasted walk luck.
Five little ducks went out to play over the hills and far away. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only four little ducks came back. Four little ducks went out to run over the hills, having fun. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only three little ducks came back. Three little ducks went out to jump over a log and over a bump. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only two little ducks came back. Two little ducks went out to splash in the pond with a flip and a dash. Mama duck said quack, quack, but only one little duck came back. One little duck went out to hide behind a rock way off to the side. Mama duck said quack, quack, but none of the five little ducks came back. Sad Mama duck went out to look across the field, and by the brook she said quack, quack, come back to me. And all five ducks came back with glee.